Desi girl Priyanka Chopra is known for staying connected with her fans, often sharing glimpses from her everyday life on social media. As she stepped into New Year 2026 with her family, Priyanka shared a heartfelt and inspiring moment that truly touched hearts. In a video shared on her Instagram stories, Priyanka is seen enjoying a peaceful walk by the beach. Dressed in a powder blue bikini with a beige and white striped shrug, she looked relaxed and radiant. "Okay, I told myself I will get better at this, which is talking to the camera. Look at that, my first few footsteps in 2026. That sounds like the future. I've been telling my friends that 2026 sounds like the future. How is that even possible? But here we are." As she walked along the shore, Priyanka reflected on her journey and everything she has achieved so far. "You know, I was just looking back at my family, my beautiful footsteps, and just felt grateful for how lucky I am. You know, it's like having run for such a long time at such a fast speed, you kind of forget to give yourself a little bit of a pat on the back for surviving. So here's me, giving myself a pat on the back, being kind to myself, being really grateful for being able to build this life." She then gave fans a glimpse of the stunning view around her, adding a powerful message to start the year on a positive note. There's always light on the other side of the tunnel, so all one needs to do is to have faith in the process, persevere, and just keep moving. On the work front, Priyanka has an exciting lineup ahead. She will next be seen in S.S. Rajamouli's highly anticipated film Varanasi, alongside Mahesh Babu and Prithviraj Sukumaran. She's also gearing up for Citadel 2, backed by the Russo brothers, and will appear in The Bluff alongside Karl Urban, Ismail Kras Cordova, Safia Oakley Green, and Temura Morrison. With gratitude, strength, and inspiring words, Priyanka Chopra has truly set the tone for 2026. Kiara Advani is embracing every moment of her motherhood journey, and her latest Instagram story shows just how much she's enjoying this special phase of life. In a recent video, Kiara is seen enjoying some quality time with her daughter, Saraya, as they read a magazine together. The cutest part, a brief glimpse of little Saraya's tiny hands. "Adorable," Kiara wrote, "Me and my mini enjoying our Monday magazine read." Siddharth Malhotra and Kiara Advani became parents in July 2025, and they couldn't be happier. The couple shared the joyful news with their fans on Instagram, posting this heartfelt message. "Our hearts are full and our world forever changed. We are blessed with a baby girl, Kiara and Siddharth." While Kiara enjoys motherhood, she's also gearing up for her next big project. She'll star in Toxic, a fairy tale for grown-ups, playing the character Nadia. The film, which stars Yash in the lead, is set to release on 19th March. The movie is written by Yash and Geetu Mohandas, directed by Geetu Mohandas, and will be released in English and Kannada, with dubbed versions in several languages. And Siddharth is also busy with his upcoming project. He's starring in One, Force of the Forest, where he'll be opposite Tamanna Bhatia. The movie, set in the forest regions of central India, is based on Indian folklore and will be released on 15th May. Looks like both Siddharth and Kiara have exciting films lined up, but right now, they're focused on their beautiful family. We can't wait to see what's next for the Malhotra family, whether it's on screen or in their personal lives. Deepika Padukone has finally addressed the question fans have been asking for years: will she return to romantic comedies? The actress opened up about the possibility during a special pre-birthday event hosted for her fans, where she sat down for a candid chat about her life, upcoming projects, and her much-loved rom-com phase. A video from the event, now circulating widely on social media, shows Deepika reading out a fan's question that asked, "When are we seeing you in a rom-com again?" Responding with warmth and honesty, the actress said, "I really hope very, very soon. As you all know, it is also one of my most favorite genres as an audience and also as an actor." While the response excited fans, Deepika also explained why romantic comedies have become challenging to make in the current scenario. She said, "I just feel like the climate right now or the environment right now, I feel like the audience is seeking something else. But if so many of you want a rom-com, I'm sure a large part of the public also wants that." As the conversation continued, fans began suggesting actors they would love to see opposite her, with Ranbir Kapoor's name receiving strong reactions. When the topic came up, Deepika smiled and said, "We have spoken about it, honestly," before being interrupted by fans who enthusiastically suggested multiple co-stars. Among all the names, Ranbir Kapoor stood out as a favorite, reminding fans of their popular on-screen pairing in films like Ye Jawani Hai Deewani and Tamasha. The discussion also briefly touched upon OTT platforms, with Deepika asking, "If I did OTT, would you all be upset?" Fans were quick to respond that she belongs on the big screen. Speaking further about the lack of rom-coms, Deepika added, "But honestly, this is something that even me and my team, we keep looking out for. We are constantly looking for drama, love story, rom-com, these genres, but I feel like there are very few producers backing that kind of content, or very few writers writing that right now." She even invited fans to participate in the process, saying, "If you come across an interesting book, interesting material, always happy to look at that." While fans hope for a rom-com reunion with Ranbir Kapoor, Deepika is currently busy working on Shah Rukh Khan's action film King and director Atlee's upcoming sci-fi project. Actor Sudha Chandran recently left many people shocked after videos from a Jagran went viral on social media. The clips showed her overwhelmed by intense emotions while experiencing what many described as a spiritual trance. However, as the videos spread, Sudha faced heavy trolling online. Several users dismissed her experience, calling it fake and drama. Now, the actor has spoken out clearly and fearlessly. In an interview with Zoom, Sudha addressed the trolling and made it clear that she does not feel the need to justify herself to anyone. "I am not here to justify. I have my perception towards life. I have certain connections that I respect. I don't care about those people. The ones who are trolling, good for them. Be happy. What about those millions of people who could connect and resonate with it? For me, that is important." Sudha further shared that she is not answerable to trolls or their questions. Calling herself a self-made woman, she said she will continue living her life with dignity, respect, and faith in the divine. "In my life, I have never thought about log kya bolenge. Even after my accident, people said I was being foolish for the activities I did. But once it becomes a success story, people only talk about it." Earlier this week, videos showed Sudha in a trance-like state during the Jagaran. She was seen emotionally overwhelmed, jumping around the hall as the bhajan continued. Some attendees tried to stop her, but she appeared unable to control her movements. The actor was wearing a red and white sari and a headband that read, "Jai Mata Di." The moment sparked mixed reactions online, with many questioning and others expressing support. Despite the criticism, Sudha Chandran stands firm in her beliefs, choosing faith, self-respect, and inner strength over online judgment.